Well, my knee developed aches and pains throughout the course of my whole life. I've been playing athletic sports from a little kid. I played University of Nebraska, played baseball, pitched for them. I got very active in golf, and golf, as you know, can be a strenuous activity on the knees, on the back, on the hips, on your neck, on your shoulders. And it just affected me and my knees through all the years of use of playing athletics, to the point that the knee was just bone on bone, and it was just getting to be very, very painful. You never want to feel like you're getting old, but it happens. I was getting cortisone injections at least every 6 months, and it was getting to the point that I needed them more than every 6 months, and the doctor that I was seeing started at that point just looking into an operation for maybe knee replacement. Well, after our first discussion, coming into your facility was some apprehension on my part, not knowing this is voodoo magic. I had no clue. But when I walked in, I felt very welcomed by the staff. When they took the time to describe how they were going to do it, the effects what they were going to do, and that we're going to stimulate my own stem cells, that was very intriguing to me. Again, I didn't understand it, I didn't know it, but I did know that I didn't want to have another knee operation. I didn't want to have any injections of stem cells. I just wanted to have my body heal itself. So it was very comforting to know that I was with professionals. It was very eye-opening for me for the initial treatments, because I had, like I said, I didn't know what to expect. I know the first treatment I went through it was kind of shocking that it could identify the tender area, this area that was affected. But on the second meeting, or the second treatment that I come in, I was leaving the facility and I had to stop in the parking lot and think, I'm not limping. This was after the second treatment. I stopped, come back in, and talk to the staff to tell us that this is the first time that I've walked out of a facility in years, that I was walking without pain. In addition to the SoftWave, the decompression, where you put you into an apparatus and it kind of expands your knee and let the blood circulate into the joints and into the areas that was damaged. That was like almost refreshing. You just felt invigorated when you were done, that you could dance on the clouds if you like. Part of the solution to improving my knee and to making it even better was working on my lower back, because as being a golfer, not only do you have the problems with the knee, but that manifests itself into the back as well. So I took advantage of your services here, of the chiropractic practice that you have, and we did adjustments continually on my back. And I don't want to make it continually that it's every day, but it was as needed. And we set up a program that it worked just beautifully. And at this point, this is the best I've felt in my life. Not only have I been a patient for a year, but I use you continually for a year. After every adjustment that I get at your facility, I feel so much better. I feel like I'm taller. In fact, I just got an adjustment this morning and I feel pretty good right now. Well, when I'm playing golf with my friends, and I play with the friends continually, I talk about the SoftWave, what it's done for me, and they do know, because I never was able to complete a round of golf before, but I recommend it to everybody. When we first met, I remember I made a challenge to you that I had a golf tournament coming up within a month, and that I wanted to go play in this thing, and I wanted to play in it pain-free, that I could participate and enjoy the whole time that I was there. It was in the middle of Nebraska. There's no hospital, no doctors, no nothing, and I was on my own. And by golly, we made it happen. I was able to go play it. In fact, it's an annual event, and I'm getting ready to go do it again in 3 more weeks. And I'm looking forward to it this time, because we're going to win it.